What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got a package that we're going to check out real quick with a couple of knives, I'm assuming, inside of it. There we go. Don't quite remember what these are. Okay, so CJRB and Invictus Blades. Do not remember exactly what these are. Let's check them. Well, obviously CJRB, duh. Check this one. Oh, the Bowie Pyrite. Okay, I've been wanting to check this out. Okay, I've been waiting for this for a while now. Sand polish AR RPM 9 blade with the ebony handle. Let's check this one out because I don't remember that at all. I do not know what that is. But we will find out though. We will. Yeah, I've been wanting to check this thing out for a hot minute, so I can only imagine what that is because I can't remember at all. Crap. It's crazy. My mind just goes. The older I get, the more it goes. Ooh. What did I say that? And oh, ebony handle. Okay. All right, because they've got a lot of variations of this, like color-wise, and like they have a copper one, I think, a copper blade looking thing, I think. Not quite sure. I like it. I like it. I love the wood grain. That's just it's textured too. Let me see if I can show it. So you kind of hear it. Is it? I don't know. I don't know if it's real or not. Real wood or not. Or they just put a little texture on it, like a light one. Huh. Oh, that looks nice. I like that. That button sticks a little bit. Which that's about, honestly, I'm not... I think it's common. You're going to get that some here and there just because in order for it to really engage, it's going to get tight. So you might have to, put a little muscle into it. Let me show you something. I think it reminds me of the Kunwu Django. The blade does a little bit. Kind of. That's obviously it's different, like variation of it, I guess. I like it. I like it though. It looks good. If I ever got one, it'd probably be a different color though. I really like the what is it? I don't know if they call it rose gold or if it's copper. I don't remember. That's all right though. It looks nice though. So like I said, it's AR RPM 9. You got thumb studs. You got a fuller. Man, people just don't clean the blades. That's all right. That's what I'm here for. I'll clean it up and I'll pass it on. I like it though. I think it looks pretty good though. I think, yeah, like I don't like the way that actually. I thought I liked it, but I don't like that it's kind of textured. I like the really natural wood look, and I feel like this is almost like synthetic. So I'll have to look into that, and I'll let you know then the final review about it. Yeah, not sure, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'll let you know more later. It is skeletonized on the inside with the steel liners. Not bad though. You got your normal CJRB pocket clip right there. Screws are recessed. The pocket clip's not. It's not reversible. That stinks though. It's not reversible either. Man, these people. But that's all right though. I'm right-handed, so I guess I'm good. But sorry, lefties out there. I do like the fuller. That's nice. I like that they added that. I like fuller tabs. I think they look cool. Works well with the the slow roll. Actually, it's very smooth, the slow roll. It's nice. Opens up very well. I will give this a pretty good grade. Like it's an A. Pretty decent A. Just like blade look and shape. And the only thing that gets me is this. I'll give it a B. I'll give it a B. But I'm sure like if I had another variation of it, I would probably give it like a straight up A. You know what I mean? Got jimping right there. I haven't even checked out the jimping really. Not bad. It's a little bit bigger than I normally like, but it doesn't do too bad though. It feels pretty good. Like ergonomically, like it's your normal pyrite. They don't feel bad. Little differences here and there, but normally it's all about the same. They both feel pretty good. You know what I mean? Blade is a little thicker than this one though, but this is the Pyrite Light. As you can kind of see, it's a little thinner on this one right here. But not bad overall. I'm pretty impressed. CJRB, they do a lot though, I'll tell you that. They have a lot of stuff coming out here and there. What the heck is this, man? I do not remember this. Why do I not remember this at all? Is there anything else in here? I'll leave it. I'll leave the name down in the description. I do not remember what this is, and I apologize. Invictus Blades. Don't get me wrong, it looks kind of cool. It looks kind of futuristic-y. It opens nice. You got M390, so it's not bad. I do like that carbon fiber scale, though, inlay right there. That's nice. I do like that. I like that a lot, actually, to be honest with you. Man, a little bit of jimping right there. Not bad. Actually, that's about the perfect spot for it because you're not going to choke up on this necessarily. Not bad for the jimping. It's thick, though. My goodness, it is thick. Look. Look. This is, but why is it so thick, though? The blade's a little thick. Thicker than normal. It is thick, though. I don't know. I don't think I have anything to really compare. Yeah, I don't really have anything to compare it to that I own. There's pyrite. Heck, the pyrite's even kind of thick, to be honest with you. A little bit, just because that scale. But nothing compared to that thing. I don't know. Man, I cannot remember what this is, and it's driving me crazy, but that's alright, though. Ooh, I like the button lock, though. I like the button lock. It's a little bigger. Sticks out a little bit, too. But it definitely is a bigger button lock. Here, as you can tell right there. Maybe not quite double the size, but it's definitely bigger. But it feels good, though. And this opens up very well. I'll actually, even though I don't know what this is, I can't remember the daggone freaking name, I like it, though. Because it opens very well. Can you flip it? Nope, nothing. I can kind of flip it open right there. You just got to put a little pressure right there. Right there. It's almost like it's obviously you got your blade and everything like that. It's coming up. You can put your finger just right there where that M390 is. You have just enough like cliff or slope right there that you can get your finger under that. And I can't do it like that because I can't. Well, now I'm trying to do it weird. I can do it like that if I'm just flipping it open like a normal knife. I can flip it open. I don't know, maybe I'm trying too hard now. I know that's not what that's there for, obviously. This is just a straight rear flipper and a button opener. You can button lock, but you can open it with a button. But I don't know. But it's really cool looking, though. Nice little pot clip right there. A little cutout there. It's probably help with weight and stuff like that. Not skeletonized at all. Got a cool little design. It's got a cool little design, little cutouts and everything like that. It looks kind of cool. It's not bad. I just wish I knew the name. But it looks good overall, though. I really like this. I'll have to do I'll let you know what it is down in the description. And also, I'll do a final review over it with more information on it. Like, primarily, the name of it. My bad. But, yeah, a couple cool little knives right here. I'm very impressed with both of these. If you have any questions or comments, and if your question is what's the name of it, look in the description. I got it for you. I promise you. If you have anything else, though, leave it in the comment section. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.